Alright, let's do a quick recap video for day 18, Wednesday. So, from the New York Open, I was looking for these, especially these two areas, 1 hour fair value gaps to get a reaction from. So, that was the reaction from the New York Open. That was pretty good reaction for me. So when there's a 1 hour reaction, I usually go to the 5 minutes to see if there is anything I can get into. But the thing is, that was the inverse fair value gap on the 5 minute we got, and it gave us a pretty good bullish reaction. But that moment, straight away it went down. Like the broker, most of the profit used. So I entered from here. It wasn't executing the trade, so and I couldn't even manage the trade properly. It ended up going to a stop loss hit, but as far as for now, I know they're probably gonna refund the amount because of the trade of its maintenance, we couldn't manage the trade properly. So they're gonna refund the money. So after the New York Open, from my point of view, when there is an FOMC after PM session, usually the market gets a little bit choppier on AM session, which happened on New York AM session, but it was a little choppy, but it was going to one direction, which I like. So when we reach to this 1 hour fair value gap, which is also a 4 hour fair value gap area, I started looking for a 15 minutes inverse fair value gap. So we usually for the 4 hour fair value gap, we go for 15-minute inverse fair value gap, and for the 1 hour fair value gap, we go for the 5-minute inverse fair value gap. So this is the inverse fair value gap we got. So when the next candle went down, I didn't enter on the 15-minute because I was looking for a lower time frame because the stop loss was pretty big. I went to get another inverse fair value gap to get the entry, which we got, yeah, right here. I entered here, stop loss was here, and my target was to get into until New York Open for the target. But there is another thing which I want to see taken out first, which was, I don't remember, is it this one or? I think this high, this was my break-even point probably. This was my break-even point. So yeah, I entered on my both accounts, and on the PM session it was really choppy. We finally ended up going top of it. I started trailing my stop loss around, let me see, in 5 minutes. It was in profit, kind of in profit, and it ended up catching the stop loss. So yeah, and we never touched this. There's a 15-minute gaps on this side. We never touched that gap. 15-minute or 1 hour, I guess. Let me see. Oh no, we did came back, but it was really choppy, so I was getting slowed down, and my plan was to get over with the FOMC, because for me trading on FOMC is kind of like a gamble. You never know what you're gonna get, and I don't like trading the news. It's not kind of like my trading style. It doesn't fit with my plan, so I got out before the news, and the news was pretty. I'm not like shocked, I'll say, because the kind of reaction we got is pretty good. Like it's showing sign of strength, so there's a high chance we will hold this low probably, and then try to go higher. We'll talk about more about it on day 19, but day 18 was pretty much neutral. Like didn't make any money because of the maintenance issue, and also with the market didn't get a good trading setup. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll upload the day 19 pretty soon. Peace.